Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
We got a cute townhouse on the West End for you today. Let's go.
Beachy Beach.
Check out this 2-bedroom townhome over on the West End of Panama City Beach. Nice and cozy, just enough space, a little over 1,000 square feet. I'm over at the bottom floor right now. As you can see, open concept. There's even a little twin bed underneath the stairwell if you want to get that extra sleeping space. Best part, no carpet, towel throughout the bottom. You don't have to worry about getting the sand in the carpet. Let's go check out upstairs with Heather.
So welcome to this cute upstairs. I wanted to start here because it's got this adorable little loft space that's available, almost like another half bedroom. You've got the 2 bedrooms upstairs with the bathroom in the middle, and this is just adorable. You're so close to the sand and the water and everything you need to make this a short-term rental or your second home, or hey, come move down here full time. It's fantastic. For more information, look in the description below. Check out the actual MLS listing link for photos, price, and square footage details.
And make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any hot deals like this one.